All right, guys. So this is the Booked AI program we've built for you guys. And this is your path to build a scalable AI business, right? This is going to be a step-by-step playbook for the Booked AI program. And you have success coaches and us who's going to be tracking you along your journey, making sure you get everything done and you have the adequate support you need. Okay? So we want to define your KPIs, and every step is designed to move you through building this profitable, scalable business. We're going to be not focused on super technical stuff, making sure you have everything you need to build a business where you have control of everything. Okay. To start off, this is the Booked AI offer. So, what is Booked AI? It's just a service platform. So it's a SaaS that enables you to build and resell these sophisticated AI sales agents, right? These agents can do a lot of things, some of which are database reactivations, responding to all inbound inquiries instantly, like the instant response system. So to solve that critical speed to lead problem people have, all through multiple channels like phone, call, SMS, email, or whatever. And this program we designed to make sure you guys, as entrepreneurs, marketer, agency owners, even without any technical background, can build and sell these automated solutions to other businesses. So these are going to be your coaches, me, Danny. There's Danny twice. Should be Ish. Okay. Me, the success coaches in the program, Ish, Danny, and Eric. Okay. And we'll be helping you through anything you need. All right. There's no stupid questions, so please ask. But the game plan is that after your onboarding, you're going to be beginning to work on a series of activation points. And these are carefully designed milestones that's going to guide you from understanding the core concept to landing your first client and scaling your business. So all I want you to do, guys, just follow these steps. Simply just follow them, and you'll have a clear path. Okay? And the first one is really simple. And the purpose is just to understand the opportunity. It's the video before this, and understand why this is so effective. If you can really understand and get behind the why, and you can see the massive problem we're solving, then the motivation is just going to carry you through. Okay? So this part, although it's very pertinent to what we're doing, it gives you the mindset to carry on. So that's just the video before this. And then read this book. It's actually pretty well written. It's called The Instant AI Agency. And then please introduce yourself in the community. We all want to, work together and then help you really well. So if you can do that and just connect with us, I think we can all benefit, and it'll be a lot more fun once we get to know each other and then play this like a game rather than just like slaving away at our computer. Okay? Then I want you to set your personal goals for the program. And please share this with us and the success coaches. Write this down. That's insanely important. Initially, the first checkpoint is pretty easy, where we just want you to have a clear understanding of what we're doing and how this program is going to help you. All right? Then we have a bunch of videos in our YouTube, in our school communities, and a bunch of other places, especially our calls, where these are the essential building blocks of understanding Booked AI and creating simple client-ready demos across multiple channels. Basically, I want you to try and fail. Rather than watching the videos being your first step, go ahead and mess up. Do whatever you want. Building these agents are really easy. It's literally like filling out a form. You'll see these once you get into these videos. And you have one-on-one guidance at your disposal. So if you have any questions, please ask. Make a post. This is what I'd recommend. You can send us a DM too, but I would rather you make a post because we can search these posts and everyone can learn from the same questions. And there will be a database of this stuff. So we can make a YouTube video from it as well. But anyways, I encourage you to ask as many questions as possible. Nothing is too small or stupid. I really want you to understand this. It's very likely we have missed a lot of stuff because we're offering this one-on-one guidance. That's why we want to make sure everything is covered. So please ask. Okay. So within the phase one, what we're going to be building is initially we're going to be just teaching you how to make some prompts. We also have an AI in there that does this for you. But then how we're going to teach you how to make Booked AI agents. So anything over voice, SMS, email, WhatsApp, whatnot. Then you connect the tools. So let's say your calendars. So your agent can literally work with your calendars. Then you can make a receptionist. And these are really simple. You'll probably be done with most of these in one day. And then you learn how to run a campaign with AI agents. So let's say someone has a CRM of old leads. You should be able to, call all of them multiple times and keep following up with this. This will be super easy. And then we create an instant response system and connect it to a form. So when someone sees an ad and then they fill up a form, we're going to call them and make sure we book them into the meeting. And if they do book the meeting, we want to make sure they're also being, called, and they're asked that, hey, can you make this meeting? Remind them, tell them, guide them to make sure they show up. Because when they show up, that's a lot of money for whoever the business is. Okay? So we're going to be building voice-based, SMS, WhatsApp, and multi-channel as well. All of these are super simple, guys. Okay? So here, the checkpoint is if you have built 3 simple demos across these channels that you can show to prospects, that's the biggest goal. We want demos, easy demos that you can sell with. Because if you have this, everything else to make it production ready is pretty much this, but just a little level up with their systems. That's about it. But you don't need to know everything. All you need is to just make these, okay? You don't need to master the entire platform. It's massive. Okay? We'll deepen that as we work with real clients. So you don't need any of that. Like people say, we'll learn end-to-end. You don't need any of that. Just build the demos, show it to prospects, sell them, and then master the rest with our help because we are there to help you. Okay. So then after we can build the 3 simple demos, we're going to be starting doing outreach. And I'm going to have a module for you guys. All of these will have videos. And where I'm going to be showing you some really cool hacks that we've used to get a lot of clients. And here we use AI. So a lot of most of this can be done in like a day or two. And I'll give you some example use cases as well where the AI is good for, what niches you might want to experiment with. But you'll go through this, you'll find some leads, and then pick a couple, understand and identify their pain points. And I'll show you guys how to do this through the video modules as we go on, right? So let's say we select a few targeted niches and really understand their specific industry so we can solve that with our agents, right? So after that, what we're going to do is build go-to-market assets. And go-to-market assets are really simple. They're just niche-specific demo for the booked-in AI system. So let's say if I'm a realtor, we want a demo of an agent that can do real estate stuff. And we're going to make a 1-page case study or an information sheet of what you're going to explain. And then this is something you can use in sales calls. This makes your outreach and whatever you do super professional. And I'll just show you this. All of this is done by AI. So you just pop it in and then you're good to go. Okay. So after you develop your assets, this is like, let's say a voice agent. You can just make a video with a voice agent for a company and then just send it to them. But after you've done that, we're going to be launching the Dream 100 outreach. And the first, if you don't have any clients, this is going to be manual. And that's hyper important. This is of utmost important, right? If you don't have any clients, please do this manually first. Automating stuff that you don't know how it works is a recipe for failure. So please do the personalized warm outreach. I've made a video module on this. So do that one. Okay. Then complete the training on the Dream 100 outreach methodologies. This one is very in-depth, so go into that. And then just build a list and start your outreach. You'll have your GTM assets for everyone, so you can send to them. And then you can track your outreach activities of what you do. And if you have started this and actively engaging, like someone responds back to you, that's what we want. Because that's the hardest part. Because if we can do that, what we can do is we can start converting these interested prospects into paying clients through effective sales conversations, right? This one, you're literally building, like, for example, a calling agent for them, for the client, and the client's going to be like, wow. And they'll probably get on a call with you. So and most people just will send cold emails and get nothing in response. So we're going to flip that approach, all right? I'll show you how this is done more. But after they're on call, I'll show you guys how to conduct these discovery calls, how you present your demos, right? How you present your performance-based offers if you're starting out. Very, very, very important. Handle any objections and confidently get the sale, okay? This checkpoint, You guys will love this checkpoint where you've successfully landed your first client for a trial or project. Cool. And after that, then we just deliver results. We learn and master the Booked In platform way more. You work with us to do that. And then we just learn and scale. You can also monitor the system's performance, update your client on what's going on, and making sure you collect data and make testimonials. So after you deliver these results, you want to upsell the clients on a monthly retainer or an audit or any consultancy that you might need. This is where you can make a lot more money as well. Okay? So you want to collect your first payment and establish that recurring revenue stream. And here is where you can get more advanced if you need. You don't need to learn all the tech. This is where we master stuff. So after you successfully delivered a result for your first client, collected payment, and deepened your understanding of Booked In AI, by actually applying it in real life, that's when you're ready to scale your business. And that's where we're going to be helping you build more funnels, ads, and more outreach methodologies, all that stuff. I'm going to leave this for later, but we are your resource support system, guys. If you're stuck, we are here to help. Just ask us. That's all you got to do. This is hands-on support from us, guys. You're not alone. The entire team is here to support you. So please ask questions. There are no stupid questions. This is a very new and powerful platform, and we expect you to have questions. So please ask us, and we can literally even make changes on the fly if you see something that you want, because this is our platform. The more you ask, the faster you learn, and the better our platform and your results become. So make sure you get help. If you're stuck on something, or strategic, just reach out to us, guys. Your success coaches, us, the team is all here to assist you. So, and please suggest improvements, because you are using this. We are using it too, but you're using it also on the front lines for exactly the type of people you're going to be addressing. So if you want features, please just ask us to make it. If something can be done better in a better way, that's the best part. Most of the best features have been developed because our users have asked for it. And that's made our features and our platform much better. So please tell us. Your feedback is invaluable, right? To everyone. Your success is literally our success. So use the resources available to you. Let's build something amazing. See you in the next one.